welcome you all for the 8th convocation of NIPER Ahmedabad.
Today, we have our chief guest, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India.
Guest of eminence, Ms. S. Aparna, Secretary, Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India.
Special invitee, Professor Dr. J. M. Vyas, Vice Chancellor, National Forensic Science University, Gujarat.
Special invitee, Professor Dr. V. Nagarajan, Distinguished Professor, Senior Consultant Neurologist, Neuropharmacologist at Tamil Nadu Government, Dr. MGR Medical University.
BOG Chairman, NIPER Ahmedabad, Dr. Ketan R. Patel, CMD, Troika Pharmaceuticals, Ahmedabad.
We welcome all the students in the auditorium and students present virtually with their parents.
Now, the academic procession for the 8th convocation of NIPER Ahmedabad is marching towards the convocation hall.
This procession is led by the Registrar of NIPER Ahmedabad, Mr. Avdesh Nautiyal.
After him is our beloved and dynamic leader, Director of NIPER Ahmedabad, Professor Kiran
and
Kalia.
The new opportunities what these challenges are creating. I strongly believe that any challenge in life, it is a new opportunity of a growth. That is what I believe our students, they are sufficiently trained to make use of those challenges and convert it into the opportunity for their growth. Success is not always money and wealth. It is about the opportunities that have come to your way and you have utilized them with full sincerity to achieve your aims. Always remain open to the new possibilities, whatever we come across. As a NIPER A alumni, I sincerely hope that you will remain connected in some way to your institute. And we at NIPER A will always be welcoming their beloved alumni and always be in a place of interaction among diverse people. So please take advantage of these many opportunities to be active and engaged member of your alumni community. I offer my heartfelt blessings to all your future endeavor and wish you may find success in your life.
Student standing in first in overall merit in MS Pharm 2018-2020 program is Shah Birwa Vipul Kumar, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology. Student standing first in merit in respective disciplines of MS Pharm 2018-20 program, I request to come forward one by one to receive the gold medal and certificate. Shah Birwa Vipul Kumar, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology. Dubey Samdisha Virendra Mamta, Department of Biotechnology. Ashwini V, Department of Medicinal Chemistry. Pokar Dhruvisha Jayesh Bhakti, Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Shubham Vilas Kharche, Department of Medical Devices. Shanoy Snehal Vinay Vrushali, Department of Pharmaceutics. Bhartiya Preeti, Department of Natural Products. Please come forward one by one to receive the certificate. Shah Birwa Vipul Kumar, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology. Dubesh Samdesha Virendra Mamta, Department of Biotechnology. Ms. Malia Bohra, Pharmacology and Toxicology. Ashwini V, Department of Medicinal Chemistry. Kokar Dhruvisha Jayesh Bhakti, Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. The students being appreciated for the best first author research paper based on impact factor. Please forward one by one to receive the certificate. Kokar Dhruvisha Jayesh Bhakti, Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. The students being appreciated for the best first author review paper based on highest impact factor. Gadekar Vedant Prakash, Department of Pharmaceutics.
We need to therefore work overtime, exploit the teachings, exploit your learnings, and emerge successful. One thing I would like to draw your attention to the fact is on knowledge. Innovation will demand knowledge. And while institutes like NIPER can impart very fine knowledge to you, you all must be aware that knowledge is an infinite domain. What you picked up here is a few pearls possibly. But what you've learned here is how to assimilate knowledge, how to find knowledge, where is it residing, extract the knowledge out, and then assimilate the knowledge. That is the key. If you know how to assimilate knowledge, then you are going to be able to do excellent research and development. We should not restrict ourselves to what we have learned in the academy. I would say that in the next 10 years, what you have learned at NIPER will be possibly 10% of what you know at that point of time, if you have relentlessly chased knowledge. Remember, I am emphasizing you have been taught how to assimilate knowledge, how to find knowledge, how to connect the dots.
Is also connected with Amrutam. Vidya Amrutam Vashnute. So knowledge gains me Amrutam. What is Amrutam? Amrutam is freedom, liberation. That is what everybody is seeking. So knowledge gives me wisdom. I become a wise person if I am a knowledgeable person. Because it gives me wisdom. And that wisdom ultimately results into fulfillment in my life. When I talk of fulfillment, the other terminology comes to my mind is success. How do I rate success in my life? Because success has different criteria. Normally I see success and I determine success.
Molding a person as a great personality is not an easy job. Every academic meeting I attended, I used to enjoy the analysis of the faculty about any problem and research. It is wonderful to mention here that the student unrest has never a word in NIPER.
To take the leap to the next level of innovative and ethical research and development. Your collective commitment will help India achieve its goal of available, accessible, and affordable healthcare for all. This is the larger perspective in which I exhort you to look at your own individual work, your individual attitude, your individual aptitude, as you have been advised to. I once again extend my very warm wishes to all graduates of NIPER Ahmedabad for great success, fulfillment, and satisfaction in all that you do throughout your life. Please do stay in contact with your alma mater and your teachers. You will find it very, very satisfying and helpful when you face moments of challenge and personal dilemma. I would also like to take this opportunity of extending my best wishes to our dynamic director, Dr. Kalia, the registrar, the dean, the dedicated faculty of NIPER Ahmedabad, the staff, the current students of NIPER Ahmedabad.
It is said in Brihad Aranya Upanishad, you are what your deepest desire is. As is your desire, so is your intention and will. As is your intention, so is your will. As is your will, so is your deed. As is your deed, so is your destiny. Friends, it's important to examine and choose wisely our deep driving desires. for giving an excellent platform to desire well, to think deeply and think big.
I call upon successful students of Master of Science in Department of Biotechnology. Contractor Darshan Mahesh, वोरा नाजमीना इकबाल भाई, सातवा से ऋतुजा मारुति रूही, दुबे समदिशा वीरेंद्र ममता, गाडगे सोनाली राजेश रोहिणी. Now I call upon successful students of Master of Science in Department of Medicinal Chemistry. Pooja Rana, भास्कर देवांगन, अश्विनी वी, मीनाक्षी चौरासिया, सैयद नेहानाज फयाज हुसैन, पायल दिलीप मेशराम. Now I call upon successful students of Master of Science in Department of Medical Devices. जागू भवानी, रंगलानी दीपक विनोद, रोहित बबन परकाले, आगीवाल शुभम रविंद्र, शुभम विलास खड़चे, शितोले वैभव तात्या साहेब. Now I call upon successful students of Department of Natural Products. Bhartiya Preeti, Puli Srilekha. Now I call upon successful students of Master of Science in Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Munde Adinath Shivaji, Prajapati अखिलेश कीर्ति कुमार, लोकेश शर्मा, राजपूत नीरज हुकुम सिंह, रोंगटे सुनील छबू, सुशील समाधान इडाके, पोकार ध्रुविशा जयेश भक्ति, दियोरे जय श्री कृष्णा, भामरे कोमल रमेश, नैन्सी गोयल. Now I call upon successful students of Master of Science in Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology. Tadsare Neeraj Nivas, Sah Birwa Vipul Kumar, Shah Chaitali Chandrakant, Jaswinder Kaur, मारिया बोहरा, जगताप प्रिया राव साहेब, काले रूही अरविंद, राक्षे सिद्धि विवेक नीता. Now I call upon successful students of Master of Science in Department of Pharmaceutics. चौहान तेजस अविनाश, करणवाड़ तुकाराम राम, गाडेकर वेदांत प्रकाश, पटेल वृत्ति जिग्नेश कुमार, देवलीना पॉल, शुक्ला काजल शैलेंद्र कुमार, पूजा बोरिसा, संदीप कौर, चौहान श्रुति विकास, शेणॉय स्नेहल विनय वृषाली, बागुल स्वाति महारू, बोराडे योगेश्वरी गोकुल।
Education, they say, is the key to success. I add that transformative education is the candle that will light our path when darkness shows its ugly face.
In reality, NIPER Ahmedabad has strengthened our knowledge, our skills, and most important, ethics by its culture and education environment. Every little encounters and in experience gained here in NIPER Ahmedabad.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।